This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Jeanette Woodruff. Open concept unique mid-century home. This was the personal family home of the architect. Enjoy quiet moments or large dinner parties on the wonderful private courtyard surrounded on 3 sides by large sliding glass doors and a wall on 4th side. Exterior walls solid and thick enough to hang anything with, interior walls which are easily movable. 5-year-old new dimensional high-end roof with pitch for optimal efficiency and new insulation. Well-maintained and loved home. Too many unique features to mention. 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bath and sought-after area of Norfolk. Near beaches, bases, hospital, downtown, shopping, dining and much more. For more information, review the details.